road already, and now we're definitely in the forest. And there are some fans club of JR because he keeps falling over everything. And this is JR with Pawis already. Ayan,
oh my God.
Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, no more road. See? The road is gone. The road is gone. Shocking. Dito ah. Hirap dito. Kaya. Yan, ito na. Wow. Maganda na yan. Diretso. Pili mo. Pili magpasok yan. And look at JR. I will show you the wheels that we have on this expedition later on. And we're gonna pass it over again and we're gonna get stuck.
Right now.
This is the family. Look, family. Oh, this is the new bangin. It's a roller. Makoy is taking us here to get something. Layo. Here is JR. He's now scared. A while ago, he was confident. No more. No more because of the crazy road that we had a while ago, which I will document later. Video mo. Baka mabalahaw.
Wala nang balahaw yan.
Baka mabalahaw. Ganda. Ganda dito ba? Pero grabe ang remote. Imagine mo sa gabi. Sa gabi ito pitch black. Ano to? Pitch black. Zero place hindi. Hindi. Zero sa akin.
Hindi, nadala na kasi ganun.
Walking here. Jurassic Park. Dito na po si JR. Susubo sa sobrang grabing putik.
Pwede pasaya dyan.
Kaya nga. Ito na po JR. Kumuhay ka muna sa audience mo. Kumuhay ka muna. Yan. JR ha. YouTube to. Makoy, tabi ka. Tabi ka. Tabi ka. Tabi ka. Malalaglag ka lang dito. Malalim talaga dito.
Malalim din eh.
Pwede lang niya daanan ito. Yan lang talaga ito. Ito lang, itatarget mo to JR. Ito lang, ano mo, soft roads mo is ito. Sa hindi naman siya ano. Ito matigas lang. Power up! Sideways! Yun! Galing! Sira ang kalsada! Napicture ako yung mukha mo!